Okay, as you can see, we've gone ahead and tried to mill this out, and I had set my tool path and my thickness of my tabs here at 1/8 of an inch. What happened was the calibration on my Z-axis was not correct, and it actually milled the part completely out. We're going to leave this number right here as it is, excuse me, the tabs as in place as they are right now, but I'm going to increase the thickness to 0.25. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's recalculate. Okay, yes, it gives you that error message, but we have a spoil board underneath it, so it really doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn my screen like this, and so I can kind of see the thickness of the tabs now are much bigger. Now, at 1/8 of an inch, what's going to actually happen, if you can kind of come up here and look real close, is that if you zoom up here and you kind of look at that tab, you can actually see that the tool will actually come above the piece and come back down. And that's going to be good. That's going to be what we want. So let's go ahead and hit the F key to fit this again. And we'll go ahead and we'll hit preview. And so now it's going out there and it's milling all this out. And as you can see, it's giving us the effect that we need. Now do not be alarmed by the fact that these tabs are still there. We're going to use a chisel and we're going to tap those little tabs right here. And these will come out just fine. We won't have any problem. So this looks pretty good now. I'm going to go ahead and close this file. Select all this. I'm going to go ahead and recalculate it, which is good. And I've done that, and then I'll save the file out to another name. So I'll hit Save Tool File, and I've already got HANA Profile 1. We're going to call this HANA Profile, in this case 2. That's why version control is always important. Now, do not be alarmed by the fact that you may have cut this part out and it didn't come out correctly. That's okay. You go to a major manufacturer, like here in our community, we have a company called Sun Hydraulics in our community, and Sun makes some awesome parts and awesome machines. Well, when they actually make a part, they may go through 15 iterations before they actually get the part correct. Then they'll make thousands of them. So this looks pretty good for now, and we're going to save that tool file, which we just did, and we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that, and we'll go to the next video of setting this all up on the machine.